Lesson 6-9 is about triangles. This will finish out the unit on angles, which is very short. We had a lesson about angles, and then today is a lesson about triangles. It's partly a review from 7th grade, but we're going to add one new fact. It's called the exterior angle theorem, and you'll find it useful as a shortcut to figure out some angles. An interior angle is just an angle inside a triangle. An exterior angle is just an angle that is outside a triangle. It's formed by extending the side of the triangle. So as the side of a triangle extends, the angle between that and the triangle is called an exterior angle. We'll see one in just a moment. Now the triangle sum theorem you used in 7th grade as well, and it just says the sum of the three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So you add all three angles and you always get 180 degrees. So we add all three angles together. The measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 equals 180 degrees every time. Now we could extend this side of the triangle. Notice that it's just taking one existing side of the triangle and extending it out. And the angle formed there is called an exterior angle. That's what we have up here is an exterior angle. We've also got what are called remote interior angles. These remote interior angles are the two interior angles that do not touch the exterior angle. So in this diagram, that would be angle 1 and angle 2. They're remote interior because they don't touch angle 4. Now the exterior angle theorem. It refers to this diagram where we have a triangle and it has one side that's extended, the exterior angle, angle 4 in this case. And it takes the sum of the two remote interior angles, 1 and 2, and when added together, they equal angle 4. And we could see that written out in saying that the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals the measure of angle 4. You could come up with angle 4 a different way, but this is a shortcut theorem that helps you save some work. It will be referred to later as well, however, and it's just this fact, and you always look at the angle that you extended, angle 4, that's your exterior angle, and look at the two interior angles that don't touch angle 4, and they add up to it. So for our examples, we're going to find the value of x. Looking at this first diagram on part A, we have three angles, x, 40 degrees, and that little right angle means 90 degrees. So let's go ahead and add those together and say x plus 40 degrees plus 90 degrees. We have a fact that says when we add the three together, they equal 180 degrees. So we could go through and simplify this little equation and find what x is. So I'm going to simplify and say that 40 plus 90 is 130 degrees. And then to get x by itself, we're going to subtract 130 from both sides. And x is 50 degrees. For part B, we still want to find the value of x. We know one angle inside this triangle. There's one angle labeled as x, and we have one angle we don't know what it is, but we do have an exterior angle that's 120 degrees. The quickest way to solve this is to use the exterior angle theorem that says the two remote interior angles, x plus 50 degrees, add up to the exterior angle, 120 degrees. And we'll just subtract 50 degrees from both sides, and we get that x is 70 degrees.